Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download the videos or images which some of your friends have uploaded in the status of your WhatsApp. So before we download, I would like to ask you to please respect the privacy of your friends. In case they have uploaded a private video, please do not download or share the video. So first of all, we go to the files folder. Some of the Android devices have a file folder, or some devices have the folder or application called My Files. In here we go to the WhatsApp folder. We open the folder, we go to the media folder. Here you can see all your images, videos, and whatever you have received or sent. In here you would have to click on the three dots. Some Android devices have here on the top three dots. Click on the three dots, go to the settings or more option, and here you can select show hidden files. If you click on show hidden files, you will and go back, you will see a hidden folder which is called .statuses. Open the folder, and here you can see all the videos which your friends have shared, and you can copy to some other folder or in your gallery, or you can just share it or view by double clicking it. So you can just, let's see, open this one. A friend of mine has shared the video. I'm gonna click here. Here we go. You can just click back, or you can copy, share, whatever you would like, edit. Here are all the options. So this was the way to see all the WhatsApp videos which your friends have shared in their statuses. You can download or move to another folder from here. If you like the video, please like the video. If you have any questions or any other request for any other type of video, please do comment below, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.